Hi, we're here today to talk to you about how to use your Unity Personalization Key. This easy-to-use tool is what you'll use to take all your custom measurements. Okay, first we're going to take the Pupillary Distance measurement. Take the tool, rest it right in the bridge of the nose, just like so, and you'll be able to take your pupillary distance right there. Now we're on to Vertex Distance. You take the tool and measure where the pupil ends to the back of the frame, and there's your Vertex Distance. Once again, very easy to use. Now, let's measure your Panoscopic Tilt. What you want to do is take the tool and put it in the middle of the lens like this. Now, both the top of the tool and the bottom of the tool have to be touching the frame like so. You'll get the measurement for Pano Tilt right there. So now let's measure wrap. You take the frame and you put the right nasal edge in the middle of the tool, and you're going to adjust the tool on the outside edge of the frame, and that gives you your wrap measurements. It's as easy as that.